Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you have download any video from Google on your iPhone and you cannot find it on your iPhone. So how can I find your downloaded video on your iPhone? So here is I am opening Google and now I want to download video from here. You can see appears on screen. I want to download this one. Here is, click on it and select the size and now download. And now guys, video has been downloaded, you can see. And now guys, close the window here and open files on your iPhone. And now guys, click on downloads in the first, and you can see this is a video downloaded appears on screen. Guys, if you don't see the here this video, so simply go back and open on my iPhone, and in this section will be available Chrome. When you click on Chrome, you will be see your download video here. So guys, you can find your download video in your iPhone by this method. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.